It's Tuesday, August 20. Mabilis ang panahon, mabilis ang oras. We're out again, no? At this day, it's 10:30, and this is our second to third call already sa customers. So far so good. Yesterday was so productive. We were able to dispatch and move several boxes of our product, plant-based stem cell. As usual, I'm here seated in a corner under a tree, no, inside the car, waiting for Edna to finish her presentation. So magugulat kayo na when you reach out to the downstream, when you reach out to areas like this. By the way, nasa Solano kami ngayon. No, I'm sorry, nasa Bayumbong pa lang kami ngayon, because later on pupunta kami ng Solano. We are somewhere in Bayumbong, in a residential area, and doing house calls, no. Very effective to kasi we're reaching out to people who are really inside their houses na may mga sakit. You will be amazed, friends, na ang dami may sakit. We might not see them outside like in hospitals, pero nasa bahay lang sila, and ang dami may sakit, and it's a very sad situation. Tulad yung napuntahan namin yesterday. He is 65 years old. He's suffering from liver cirrhosis. He's also suffering from bone cancer, and at the same time yung asawa niya is also confined in the hospital. Sari-saring kwento, friends. As we go along with this kind of work, as we reach out to people on a daily basis, talagang, we become more aware na how lucky we are, kami ni Edna and our family and friends, to be healthy. Kasi I could not imagine being in their situation na nasa kama, in pain, no? Ang hirap. So this morning, the first thing that I did was, after making punas the car, I had to walk probably 3 kilometers. So it's hard work. It takes discipline to be healthy. So kaya ginagawa namin to, it encourages us to be more concerned about our health. So it's a good thing, okay? I've done some research, and I found a very interesting information na gusto ko i-share sa inyo. Yung health span, H-E-A-L-T-H, span ng tao as of this writing is up to 63 years old. Ibig sabihin, pag hindi ka pa nagkakaroon ng major disease by the age of 63, you're already lucky. That means you have been so disciplined with your health. Ang lifespan ng tao as of this writing is already 80 years old. Dati, ang lifespan ng mga tao earlier times nasa hundreds, no? So very rare ngayon na nakakaabot ng 100, kaya nga binibigyan ng government, ng Philippine government, ng 1 million for those who reach 100. And then it went down to the 90s. Nagiging paiksi ng paiksi ang buhay. Ang lifespan ng tao from hundreds, it became 90s. Now it is in the 80s. My father passed away at 87. My mom passed away at 82. My relatives nasa 80s. Yun yung mga older generation. Pero nakakatakot, no? Yung health span na tinatawag na up to 63, that can go lower. Mapapansin nyo, pabata ng pabata ang mga nagkakasakit. So I will not be surprised kung ang health span ng tao will go down from 63, magiging 60, magiging 50s. That is the trend, eh. Sad to know that. So I'm 61, and mas nagiging conscious ako sa health ko ngayon, and I hope you do the same. Okay. I will be sharing with you more ideas, more information as we, do our work every day. Okay. So again, our product, plant-based Miracell. I don't have a product here right now, pero I'll show you here. Because dinala lahat ni Edna yung product. Our flagship product is our Miracell product. Ito yan. Okay. I hope you can see that. It's supported by 12 powerful antioxidants, no? And then yung ika-13th yung green apple extract, no? Yung 12 powerful antioxidants are astaxanthin, aquamin, AFA, goji berry, sour soup or the guyabano, pomegranate, ashwagandha, bilberry, kiwi, bipropolis, ascorbic acid, salmon ovary peptide, and the 13th ingredient is the apple stem cell extract. Ang role ng 12 antioxidant, may kanya-kanya siyang role, may kanya-kanya siyang function. So when you do this, when you take our plant-based stem cell every day, okay, it provides your body with these 12 powerful antioxidants. I will discuss each antioxidant in another segment, so that ito yung nagiging sundalo natin, so that the green apple stem cell extract will take effect as you take this on a daily basis. I've been taking plant-based stem cell for the past 9 months already, and I feel good. I feel more confident. It's not a standalone solution. Siyempre, kailangan pa rin ng proper diet, good exercise, discipline, and with this, may laban tayo. Okay, so that we can reach yung sinasabi nilang health span of 63 years old, and we can go beyond dun sa sinasabi nilang lifespan of 79 to 8 years old. Okay folks, this is it. See you later in another segment. Thank you. Hi again. August 20, Tuesday, sunny day, and I'm somewhere here in Bayambong, a big residential area. Nasa interior siya, no? Ang daming bahay, very private yung mga bahay, malalaki mga bahay, and we're here doing our third house call, no? We have been leaded to household na may mga sakit, no? Time and again, I've been saying, you'll be amazed dito sa nalalaman namin, na nadidiscover namin na marami talaga may sakit sa Pilipinas, especially when we talk about the senior citizens, no? Tulad nung nabanggit ko in the last video segment, the health span right now is up to 63 years old, meaning to say, when you reach 63 and hindi ka pa nagkakaroon ng major health issues, buenas ka, no? Swerte ka, probably because you really took care of yourself. Yung mga nagkasakit before 63, ang dami naming na-encounter na customers na nagkaroon ng heart attack, cardio, whatever, even before 63. Ito yung mga payback period. Liver cirrhosis is very common in this area, Nueva Vizcaya. Why? They drink a lot. I see them, my neighbors, friends, talaga they really indulge in drinking, kaya wala pang 60 may liver cirrhosis na, may liver cancer na, no? We're treating a good friend who was diagnosed with stage 4 liver cirrhosis kasi nga everyday he drinks, no? So we're praying for his recovery, and he's taking our flagship product, which is the plant-based stem cell product, Miracell Plus. Ito yun. He's taking it religiously 3 times a day. Isa sa umaga, isa sa hapon, isa sa gabi. And he's supposed to undergo chemo treatment, pero sabi nung asawa niya, no, I'll not have him undergo chemotherapy or treatment, pero we will do this Miracell stem cell product. And he's been taking this for, I would say, almost 2 months na. And everybody's hoping na magre-recover siya. Pero ganun pa man, may mga periods na he goes back to drinking. So alam mo yon, you only get well when you're willing to help yourself. Okay, so as I was saying, ang health span ng tao right now is 63 years old. Meaning to say, past 63, when you go 64 onwards, and kung medyo careless ka sa katawan mo, isa lang ang direction mo. Okay? Illnesses. Okay? As we age, okay, as we age, there are key illnesses na sinasabi nila, and these are, number 1, cardiovascular. Once you're past the health span of 63, nag 64, 65, up to 70 ka na. So if you don't take care of your body, pero alam mo yun, as we age, isa lang naman direction natin eh. Before we die, we get sick. Pero ito yun, number 1 is cardiovascular. Okay? As we age, beyond 63, beyond the health span. What's after cardiovascular? Common disease, diabetes, sugar issues, no? Kasi mababa na yung metabolism natin. Okay? What's next after diabetes and after cardiovascular? We have Parkinson's disease, no? It's a neurological disorder in our, you know, neurological system. So ito yon. So we have diabetes, we have Parkinson's disease, and we have cardiovascular. What's the next one? We would have issues with cancers, all sorts of cancer, liver cancer, lung cancer, lahat na, no? So ito yon. Ito yung 4 major disease that we have to face, reality as we age beyond 63. Okay, now depending on the quality of healthcare that you will receive, you can reach the health span of 80, or kung papalarin ka, beyond. Okay, that's it. Sa case ko naman, medyo, you know, may eye bags ako ngayon kasi I couldn't sleep last night. And para bang on my right leg, parang feeling ko nangangalay, parang may naipit na ugat, and I was in pain. Actually, I have a history of chronic pain. May back pain ako, may cold shoulder ako, may plantar fasciitis ako, may knees. Meron akong history nun eh. But for the past 9 months that I've been taking my plant-based stem cell, na-manage ko yung pain eh. Ibang-iba, because I used to have chronic pain everywhere dito sa katawan ko. But for the past 9 months, I'm proud to say, manageable yung pain, no? I can bend, I can walk, so I'm okay. The same with our customers na nagkakaroon din ng issues of pain, no? They're very happy with our product. In fact, recently, 2 sisters proved to us na maganda yung product kasi both of them are suffering from chronic pain. Sabi nila, our product is just amazing, no? They are now taking our product religiously, and silang dalawang magkapatid, no? Natutulungan yung pain nila. Okay, so what is the culprit, no? dito sa Miracell Plus, we have 12 antioxidants. And what is the specific antioxidant that is helping us with our pain management? It is what we call the ashwagandha antioxidant. Ito yun. Okay? Ashwagandha. Okay? Ashwagandha, let me just read, is said to improve our immune system after we get sick, after a certain illness. It is also included in the formulation intended to treat such conditions as rheumatoid arthritis. Yun yung meron ako eh. But for the past 9 months, I'm okay. And with other customers that we serve, fatigue, ang energy level ko tumaas masyado. I drive. Pag long range driving ako, I have to do my stopovers at least, you know, every now and then, do my stretching kasi masakit yung likod ko, masakit yung legs ko. But no, right now I can drive straight, okay, for 4 hours without any stopover, except when I have to go to the washroom to urinate. Pero other than that, I'm okay. Okay, it also helps to treat conditions such as fatigue, yung mabilis mapagod. So ako, I'm okay with that. Gastrointestinal orders, meron din akong history na ganun eh, and seldom do I suffer from this kind of disorder. Infection skin, okay, my skin quality is even better because our first line of defense, okay, according to researchers, is the largest, you know, organ in our body, and that is our skin. If you have good quality skin, that is your first line of defense against sicknesses, virus, bacteria, and all. So if you have poor skin quality, that means susceptible ka sa sakit. And what is your second line of defense? Siyempre yung inflammatory response mo, meaning to say your inflammatory response has to be high in such a way na kaya niyang kainin yung mga bad cells na natitira sa ating katawan. What else? We also have diabetes, okay? And I refuse to say I am one of them because I consider myself as type 2 and already cured, okay? And it also helps with our high cholesterol, and of course our Parkinson's disease, no? Meron din kaming history niyan. So again, ashwagandha is one of the 12 antioxidants that is present in our Miracell Plus stem cell product. Ito yung nakakatulong to thousands of Filipinos that are suffering from arthritis, suffering from Parkinson's disease, suffering from diabetes, suffering from bad and high cholesterol. So ito po yun. Okay, so I take this every day, and it's really helping me manage my health issues. Okay, and until the next video, I will share all the 12 antioxidants as we go along. Maraming pong salamat, and I hope you have learned something from ashwagandha being one of the 12 antioxidants. Good day and stay healthy. Bye.